Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Jessy. Here I'm all about sharing food recipe. To the returning subscribers, thank you for subscription, and to those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscription button. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare spiced noodles, so stay tuned. Okay, here I have my chopped onion, carrots, red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, then lastly I have green bell pepper. I have my fried liver, cooking oil, then I have my boiled noodles, salt. So first I'm going to start by frying my onion for about 2 minutes. For about 2 minutes before adding the next ingredients. Then I'm going to add my carrot. After adding carrots, allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Then add red bell pepper. Mix it well with carrot and onion. After mixing, I'm going to add my yellow bell pepper. Mix it again. Then add green bell pepper. After adding, I'm going to add salt for it to taste. Then mix it well. Okay, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. After it has cooked, I'm going to add my noodles. I'm going to add my boiled noodles. After adding, I'm going to mix it well. Then add my liver, fried liver. After adding liver, I'm going to mix it again and allow it to cook for some minutes before serving. Then I'm going to add bumbu sauce. I don't know how you call it, but to me I call it bumbu sauce. After adding, I'm going to mix it again. Ensure that the bumbu sauce spread well to the noodles, so we are going to mix it well. After mixing, allow it to cook before serving. Now my noodles are ready, so I'm going to serve. In in today's video, don't forget to rate me out of 10 in the comment section. And after rating, tell me what next should I prepare.